Welcome! The Eldorado Celpas are proud to support our partners with tools and resources that make your work easier and more effective. This video is part of our ongoing effort to provide clear guidance and training on key topics in special education. To explore additional learning opportunities, scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen to browse our professional learning catalog. Let's get started.
Go to Administration from the navigation bar and select Manage Users. Click the Add a New User button. Enter the user's last and first name. Create a username. Best practice is to use the user's first initial and last name. If the user you are trying to create is available, the word Available appears in green to the right of the username box. If the username is in use, the words Not Available appear in red. You will need to select another username. Create a password for the account. The user can change it once they access the account. Confirm the password a second time. If the two password entries do not match, clear the password box content and try again. Enter the title, phone number, and email address. Select the provider user level from the drop-down. Select the provider user type from the drop-down. Scroll to the user permissions and select the permissions for the user. LEAs must determine who completes which task, such as affirming IEPs, changing eligibility status, and editing the date the student enrolled in the district LEA. Best practice is not allowing providers to affirm a meeting unless they are the case manager. Once permissions are selected, click the green Save button.
Thank you for spending time with us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates, tutorials, or trainings. On behalf of Eldorado Celpas, thank you for your continued partnership and for the work you do to support students with disabilities every day.